So, yun na nga guys, natuwa ako kasi nakakita ako ng Hello Kitty shop dito sa Wan Chai. Andito po ako ngayon sa Wan Chai. Ayan, nagulat ako, may Hello Kitty shop dito. Ayan, it's all about Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty shop. Thank you. It's so cute. All about Hello Kitty. There and here also have a Hello Kitty. Thank you. This is the new shop, Hello Kitty new shop. There. Ayan. Wala po talaga akong plano mag-vlog ngayon, pero nakakita ko ng Hello Kitty, my favorite Hello Kitty. Look at that. See that? Yeah, you know guys, I love Hello Kitty. And I think also here, Hello Kitty. Oh, wow. Amazing. Here. Here, Hello Kitty. There. I will go outside. This is the outside. This is the outside. There. Hello Kitty shop. Hello Kitty shop. Oh my God, look at that. And here, I will go in here. And the table also, Hello Kitty. There. Hello Kitty. Hindi ko kasi pwede even the table. Pati po yung mga table ay Hello Kitty. Kasi may mga tao kasi, hindi ko siya Ayan. Hello Kitty lahat ng table. Pati table Hello Kitty. Ayan. Ang table ay Hello Kitty din. Sorry, tiha. Ayan. Ayan. Ang cute-cute. Oh my. Hello Kitty. Ayan. Lahat po ng lamesa ay Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Ah, meron na ito. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty also. Ayan, may mga Hello Kitty pa dito. Ayan. And there are Hello Kitty bag. Hello Kitty bag. Hello Kitty cup. There. And there's a stairs. There's a stairs here. But closed for private event. So that's all. There. Yeah, so yan na po lahat ang mga nandito sa Hello Kitty shop. Bye bye guys.